All right, guys, John from Sluice coming to you again with another new product. This time we have our Diminishing Riffle gold pans. These gold pans come in three sizes. We have the large 15-inch, got the medium 11-inch, and the small 9-inch. As you can see, these have steep 45-degree angles on the side. This will allow you a big, deep pan. It's going to allow you to process a lot more material. It's got proven technology. We got 2 drop riffles on this side right here, and the new for Sluice is the Diminishing Riffle system. We're going to come over, we'll show you that a little closer, but we have different riffles start from very large on this side. They progressively get smaller down to really fine. They are going to allow you to be able to really process your concentrates good, depending on how much material you still have left and how fine the gold you're looking to get. But as you can see, this is a very, very large pan. This is going to hold a lot. I'm going to say probably at least a full shovel, maybe 2 shovels. This is going to hold as much as the big green pan that everybody knows about. So it's the same basic design. We got big, deep thing to process a lot of material. Again, 2 drop riffles with the diminishing sluice. I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to run some of this material. Now these are just my tailings, so I don't believe I'm going to find any gold in here, but I'm going to show you just how much material you guys can actually process out of this. 3. I know I'm going to overload it. It's looking like 4 big shovels in there, guys. So I'm not sure. We got a little souvenir. Action Hero leg came down, so we'll take that. But as you can see, I got 4 scoops of material in here. So you think that's a lot of material, but watch this. We're going to get in here. Work on material, get it swirling good. All that gold down to the bottom. And again, guys, this is a 45-degree pan, so we can really process the material good. A few more shakes down. And again, those deep drop riffles in there really catch that gold. You're going to shake it up real good, guys. Make sure you're getting all that gold down to the bottom. So we're going to work our material down. So there, I've got that pretty much down to just black sand now. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to move that material over to my diminishing riffle side. I'm going to start with my larger riffles, work my way down from there. And again, we got the nice large size riffles here. Working that down. All right, guys, so we're down to just black sand. If there were any gold in here, we'd pan it back down at this point. That should be close enough. If you wanted to finish it out more, again, you guys got these really fine riffles. You can work that down. In fact, I'm going to go ahead and use those. So as you guys saw, we just ran through 4 shovelfuls of material in a couple of minutes. I mean, truthfully, this thing will almost work as good as a sluice box if you're a good panner. So, I mean, you could do that now. What's really going to be nice, you guys are going to really like, are these other sizes. We've got the 11-inch medium. This thing is good. Everybody loves this big pan, but it doesn't pack well. It's hard to get into a backpack, hard to take out with you. This 11-inch pan might just be what you're looking for. Again, this is an exact copy of the larger one. It's got the 2 drop riffles, and again, the diminishing riffles on this side over here. Deep 45-degree angles with a big base on there. This is going to process a lot of material.